welcome to Bikini Design Club. Today I wanted to show you the many options that you have when you buy our bikini bottom pattern nude. It's a V-shaped front and back, non-reversible, and you can use side straps in so many ways and sew the pattern in so many ways that I wanted to show you at least 4 attempts that I've made so that you can also use the same methods and do it yourself. So today, to match with this triangle bikini top that I made, and this one I made non-reversible, I made the nude bottom with a ring in the front and a ring in the back, and you can see that I made 2 side straps connected and sewed here to the ring, and then I just made the bikini bottom front folded and sewed inside here with a lightning stitch. And this is one of the probably my favorites. This bikini bottom has a center back seam here, and as you can see, if it fits perfectly on you, of course it's small, so it's not for all of us, but it's actually a very comfortable bikini. Now I'm going to show you 3 other options that I've made. One of them, it's this one, and I used a zigzag stitch to do the finish, and I used here, the side straps are sewn on the sides, and you can adjust the straps just with a sides bow, and this is one of the options. The other option, it's this one. It's also one of my favorites because it's adjustable. It's also with a side ring, and then you have an adjustable strap. I just with only one, I went around the 2 front and back rings, and then I tie a knot or a bow or whatever you want. And it's also very versatile, so I also love this option very much. It's an unreversible again, as you can see, so I sewed with black threads and then with black lining. And then my final option that I wanted to share was this one, just to show you that you can use different rings. This one was white, and then I have again the non-reversible with the overlock, and then with cover stitch made with red with matching color from the fabric. And this is the 𝗀𝗵𝗽𝗏 fabric Renew fabric with texture that I really love. And that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed and start sewing this a lot. And don't forget to share your videos with us and your photos from all the patterns that you sew with us. Thank you.